Okay, we've moved to our car for a more or a less chaotic environment. We're moving right now, so things are pretty crazy. And we're just trying to figure out why this test isn't working. So let's kind of go back to basics here. Get things back to where we expect them to be. So we're only going to run this one test. We'll run it in just to make sure this isn't Wallaby being funny. All right. Your user has been blocked from group. So we've got an incorrect guard evaluating somewhere. So I just want to check out our guards because user is not a member of group with ID. Fixture should not make our state machine think the user is blocked. So that to me is borked. I think it's due to like these guards up here again. We'll collapse everything and go to the setup here. We can look at our guards in here. And then we can expand our guards. So we'll expand our guards this way. I think that'll expand everything. We'll expand our guards. There we go. Okay, that's not relevant. Collapse that. Collapse that one. Is group joined already joined? Is rejected? Is error? Is timed out? Has group ID in metadata? User has already joined group. User has not been blocked. Okay, so is group active should return true if user has not been blocked. So I think the condition that's wrong here is that we want is active to be true. So is active to be true. Const user has not been blocked equals. See, this is why it's composite. I don't like doing this, but invited group dot is group active equal true, and then is user blocked here. Is not user has not been blocked. Users in group. Okay, cool. So let's run Wallaby again. Go find our test. Okay. So loading group invite metadata, loading initially joined groups. User has been blocked from group. Again, we're kind of in the same. I'm just gonna look at loading initially joined groups. Has group ID and metadata. Does it? It does. loading initially joined groups, and then has group ID and metadata. So check user joined group status. Guard is user in group. Invited group is undefined. So it's going to say user is not in group. And then what's it going to do? So we are in loading initially. Okay, and then we're checking user groups. If user's not in group, user's not in group. Shouldn't be blocked. User has not been blocked. Because it's undefined. But this is also true because the user wasn't already a member of this group. So in all of these evaluations here, loading initially joined groups, okay. If the group ID, if the group, see, I need dynamic. Let's see. has group ID and metadata. And if you got a new group, if this is not undefined, then you can check. But if this is undefined, user has not been blocked. Let's see, if invited group Was that it? Oh my god. Okay, so let's rip that off. All right, our tests are working. Thank God. Stop debugging. Expect to be loading group invite. Loading initially joined groups. Wait for. Expect that to be defined. Waiting for user action. We tap. We're attempting to join group. Wait for join attempt to complete. Fresh in group. Join group. Perfect. Wow, that was a big waste of time. So I had some problems with my guards. I think we're gonna have to look in here and due to the huge nature of how things can be undefined here, I got a little confused. But now we've got that. Okay, so should transition to the user has been blocked from group if user was blocked from group. And then the timed out state. It should transition okay, newly invited group, user not a member of group, join group actor, navigate to group spy. That's not going to get called, but we'll keep it there. Loading group invite, and then we're going to change this fixture here. We've got our fixtures for the important behaviors, and we will plop another one down here, and then still keep it collapsed. And user join group timeout. Attempted join group ID. User not a member. Oops, that's not what we want to do. Group ID user was not a member of member of. Okay, cool. Fixture attempt to join group. And basically all we're going to have to do here is go where's this type? Attempt to join group result. Join group result. Join group results. Promise. Type. And here we get timed out. And group ID is irrelevant. And so it doesn't matter what fixtures we perform there. Should transition to attempt to join out. And we can say timed out. And then at this point, waiting for user action, we're going to say, what is it? This is, again, just a fun little trick. and then log it out. User has been blocked from group. That's wrong. User has been blocked from group. That's incorrect. User joined group timeout. Oh, that's because we need this to be true. Not a member of. Okay, so basically we want to return nothing. Yeah. So, loading group invite metadata, loading initially joined groups, waiting for user action. Nope. Loading initially joined groups. Has group ID and metadata. So it does. Oh, actually that's correct. Waiting for user action. And then get snapshot to be defined. Waiting for user action. Yep, send, controlled. No, now we need to, that was wrong. So then attempting to join group, and then wait for state.matches, something timed out. And that's it. Okay, we'll get rid of the crap. All right, we're pretty close. Actually, yeah, we'll just expect, navigate, payload to be undefined. Actually, can I just do undefined here? Yep. Or null. So sorry. To be null. Null. And then expect, navigate, spy, not to have been called. Perfect. All right, we've got passing tests. We are glorious here. We're gonna just go ahead and commit our passing tests. Wow, that's a bright, look how bright that is. That's hilarious. Sorry for blinding you. Okay, cool. Not too worried about these. We're just gonna get something up here. We can do some refactoring here later. Naming conventions in base client. Okay. Now we're gonna test the live behavior of this bad boy. And then we're gonna clean up. Okay, so here is a emulator that does not have our application on it. Let's see what emulators do. I think it was the Pro Max and the Pro. 16 Plus does not have our app on it. It's tragic. So we need to test making it timeout. So I can do that actually pretty easily, which is kind of cool. We're going to have this and this. Obviously, we need to start our bundler. And we will go terminal, and we'll go type in bwq yarn start. Let's also grab remove needless code. We're gonna go ahead and fetch. We're gonna go back to my branch. Then we're gonna go to here, and then we're going to get ignore, ADR readme, and split right. All good. What's the deal with the get ignore? Get ignore, reassure output directory, idea, aider. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, get ignore is good to go. ADR readme 0. I think take incoming change. Yeah, definitely take incoming change here. Main. Accept incoming. Accept incoming. Incoming. Okay. Conflict. Okay. Main has group invite nav. Group link nav. I got all my shortcuts set up here. Split navigator. Group link nav. Group link nav. Group link nav got group link screen. Group link screen from / group link. I think we need that, but don't we need join group? Yep. I think that's good. Okay. Resolve conflicts. Where are the conflicts? Show me the conflicts. Continue merge. Okay. Alrighty then. Now we need to, well, we're gonna yarn. And then we're going to just double check there's not any changes in the back end. Actually, there are. What are the changes in the back end? Some de-nesting and XNTP signature metalwares. Okay. So we'll go, what is this yarn as well? All right, we are 34 minutes. Oh, God. Ending, uploading, starting new. And I've got about 20 minutes here. So, yeah, expect these to be